So good day everyone. Here we are again, the Brats developers. By the way, I am Hermione Montagnier and we are going to present to you our own open AI. So first of all, we are gonna make sure that Node.js is installed in our system. So as you can see, ayan, ini-install na natin yung Node.js. So this is very important because of its super fast execution, real-time performance, and memory efficiency. That is why it is very beneficial for managing and scaling API effectively. So if you integrate the ChatGPT API in our Node.js, you can build outstanding, robust applications and websites. So let's understand ChatGPT more and learn to integrate it.
Importance of TypeScript and JavaScript in creating API ChatGPT. TypeScript advantages: it allows static typing. TypeScript static typing helps catch errors during development rather than at runtime. This leads to more robust and maintainable code. And it also enhanced IDE support. TypeScript provides better auto-completion, refactoring, and navigation features in IDEs, which can significantly improve developer productivity and also improve code quality. With features like interfaces, enums, and generics, TypeScript allows for clearer and more structured code, making it easier to understand and maintain. Lastly, interoperability with JavaScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, so existing JavaScript code can be incrementally converted to TypeScript. Second is JavaScript advantages. It allows the ubiquity. JavaScript is supported by all major browsers and has a large ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. This makes it a versatile choice for both client-side and server-side development. And also, event-driven architecture. JavaScript's event-driven, non-blocking input and output model is particularly well suited for handling asynchronous operations, which are common in API interactions.
After installing Node.js and Java TypeScript, let's now create a new folder in Documents. Let's name it ChatGPT underscore API. And then go to Windows, Users, App Data, Roaming, and create new folder named npm. And then go to VS Code and open the folder created earlier in Documents. And then create new file named command.sh. Open the terminal. So let's start by setting up a new project. Let's type the command. Then copy, paste, and run on the terminal. So the project name is chatgpt.api. ChatGPT API chat. We'll use ESLint, so yes. Tailwind CSS, no. We'll keep the source directory, so yes. Also, we don't need anything experimental and such. And this is the import alias we'll use, and then let's wait for it to be ready. Okay, so we have our project created right on the left side. Now, the next thing we'll do is install some dependencies, and we'll be installing 3 dependencies. The first two are the chat libraries, and we'll install OpenAI to interact with ChatGPT. Let's copy the code and then change the directory into the project, which is ChatGPT API chat, and then paste the command on the line 3. Okay, so last thing we'll do is create a .env file, and here we will put our OpenAI API key that we'll use to interact with ChatGPT. Next, we will be running the command npm run dev, which will start our server and launch our web app. We can see that the server started on port 3000. So now let's expand source, pages, and in here we'll create a new file. Let's name it chat.tsx and create a functional component here. Export default function chat and return a div hello that says hello world. Let's save and then go to our browser and go to the location localhost 3000/chat. Here we can see we've encountered an error, so let me go back to VS Code and check the syntax. So we've fixed the code. Let's go back again to the browser, and now we can see the hello world.
makikita nyo dito yung SRC, under nito yung pages, and then under nito yung API. So, gumawa tayo dito ng file na chat.tsx. So, nag-import sa code, nag-import tayo ng 4. So, sa umpisa, nag-import tayo ng React hooks, yung use effect, use ref, and use state para sa component lifecycle at state management. May in-import din tayong mga chat UI components mula sa @chat scope /chat-ui-kit-react para madali tayo makagawa ng chat interface. And then yung styles galing sa local na CSS file na chat.module.css. And lastly, i-import natin yung OpenAI client para makipag-communicate sa OpenAI API at makakuha ng AI responses. So next is yung type definition at constant. So nag-define tayo ng chat message type para sa structure ng bawat message, yung content, send time, sender, at direction. So yung direction, dito yung incoming or outgoing na messages. And then may constant din tayo na ChatGPT underscore user, pangalan ng AI, at default underscore behavior, default topic na general conversation para maging consistent yung chat context at messages. And then the next is yung OpenAI client. So, ini-initialize natin yung OpenAI client gamit yung API key mula sa environment variable para secure na nakastore yung key. So, yung client configured para magamit sa browser environment. Itong setup, ina-allow nito yun sa app na mag-send ng request sa OpenAI API at makakuha ng responses mula sa API model tulad ng GPT 3.5 Turbo. So, sa asynchronous function naman, dito yung para makakuha ng AI responses. Yung getResponse function, ito yung async function na nagsasend ng listahan ng messages sa OpenAI API para makakuha ng AI response. Na-convert nito yung messages sa format ng kailangan ng API. Tapos magsasend ng request sa chat.compressions create endpoint. So, makukuha natin yung AI response at i-return nito yung content nito. And then sa chat component, siya yung nag-handle ng buong chat functionality. May states para sa messages, behavior, at kung nag-aantay ba ng response mula sa AI. Gumagamit ng useRef para i-focus yung message input field at ang use effect para laging ready yung input field para sa bagong messages. And then dun sa use effect ko, ito yung use effect ko, ginagamit para i-focus automatically yung message input field kapag hindi nag-aantay ng response mula sa AI para smooth yung chat experience. And chinecheck nito yung waiting for response state at kapag false, i-focus na yung sa input field. And then, sa send message function, yung send message function nag-handle ng pagpapadala ng bagong message sa AI at pag-update ng chat interface. So, kapag may sinad na message ang user, idinadagdag nito yung message list bilang outgoing message and tatawagin nito yung get response para makuha yung AI response. And then, idadagdag nito yung message list bilang incoming message at ibabalik yung waiting for response state as false. So, sa update behavior function naman, yung update behavior function, ina-update yung chat behavior based sa input ng user. Iti-trim nito yung input at iti-check kung hindi empty. Kapag may alaman, iti-set niya yung bagong behavior. Kung wala, ibabalik niya sa default underscore behavior.
So, dito sa JSX component, ito ay para sa chat interface na nagpapakita ng input field para sa behavior, listahan ng mga message at isang message input field. Una is yung return block. Ito ay naglalaman ng division na may class na styles.container na kinokontrol ng mga style mula sa chat.module CSS. Sa loob nito, meron isang input field na may value na behavior input, kung saan pwede mag-type ng bagong behavior or topic ng chat. Kapag nagbago yung value ng input, tinatap niya yung set behavior input para i-update yung state. Meron ding button na may on-click event handler na nagpapatrigger ng update behavior function para i-set yung bagong behavior ng chat. Under ng input field, merong isang division na may class na styles.chatWrapper, and then sa loob nito merong division na may class na styles.chatContainer. Dito natin ilalagay yung main container na galing sa chat scope /chat-UI-kit-react. Sa loob ng main container, merong chat container na naglalaman ng message list at message input. So, from the word itself, message list, pinapakita lahat ng messages. Gumagamit tayo dito ng map and then parenthesis para iloop yung messages array at gumawa ng chat message component para sa bawat message. Sa chat message component, ina-extract din natin yung content, send time, sender, at direction mula sa message object. At fina-format natin yung send time para maging human readable time string. Tapos, nilalagay natin sa chat message component yung mga properties na to para ma-display ng tama yung bawat message. Under ng message list, meron tayong message input na text input field kung saan nagsusulat yung user ng bagong message. And then meron siyang class na styles.message input for styles, and yung onsend handler niya is nakaset on send message function. And it was responsible sa pag-handle ng pag-send ng new message. And nakaset din yung autofocus sa true para automatic na ma-focus yung input field. And then for attach button, sa false naman nakaset para walang attachment button na lalabas. And then kapag naka-true yung waiting for response, disable yung input field para hindi na mag-send ng bagong message habang nag-aantay ng reply mula sa AI.
So now to see the functionalities that we've discussed earlier, I'll be now running the code to see the output of the interface and to see how the AI smoothly interacting with the user, and to see what changes we did to enhance the interface. After asking some question on the AI, we can see that it was functionally working and the AI was interacting nicely or smoothly on the user. And yeah, that's all. And thank you for watching.